What's up guys, this is DJ Tander, Rise and Grind, and today is Saturday Supercar cruise with a Mustang crew, a Porsche GT3, and obviously the Acura NSX. Look at the cars behind me. And we're here in San Pedro right now. First stop of the cruise. We're having a good time, and hopefully we're gonna be getting a blast driving our cars in super fast mode in a bit. Go check it out. What's up guys, we're here in Long Beach, California, still doing the cruise. We went all the way from Redondo Beach to Palos, Verdes to San Pedro. Now we're here in Long Beach. I don't know where we're going, but I'm just gonna be driving, so let's continue the cruise, people. Let's go check it out. Look at this. I guess the beach is open already. We're on our way to recovery, I guess. So that's a good sign. See? All right, we're here at Gelson's in Long Beach right now by the marina, just regrouping, and then we're gonna be heading down to PCH, head down to somewhere in Jamboree, and then go for lunch. So stick around and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, they handle, baby. All right, we're gonna be heading down to PCH now. You know what? I'm really loving the sound because I added a Cayenne drop-in filter, and now you could really hear the blow-off valve, which is really good. It sounds like this. It's really good. I'm really loving it. So it's a good thing I actually did that yesterday before the run. Next is I really need to do the downpipe. I mean, the exhaust system of this car is just like almost nothing. So hopefully I'll order that soon. And we're ready to go. So stay tuned. I'll be back. Guys, we're here at the hangout place in Irvine just to regroup, and then we're gonna go ahead and head out to the restaurant. I'll be back. There's Aventadors. This place is really crazy. Like, money is just nothing. Someday. You'll see someday. Alright, we're here in Jamboree, probably Costa Mesa. We're trying to regroup at one of the spots here, and then later down the road we're gonna be having lunch at Cantina. I don't know where that is, but it's a Mexican restaurant, so it's gonna be yum. Kind of getting tired, but it's definitely fun. So I'll be back. Rolling. We're already rolling, so I'll be back. Bye. Thanks, bro.
Pluto 2020.
You gotta
Citizens.
That's
OG.
right. That's right.
We got you, mother. We're coming at you to entertain your planet. You got that?
That's right.
You're gonna be entertained like a mother.
That's
You
right.
know why? Because we're badass.
Yeah.
PlutoTV.tv.
No,
Right?
Pluto.tv.
There you go.
Hey, you take care, okay?
I will, man. I'll
Keep in touch.
I
Yeah,
will.
keep in touch.
I will for sure.
Bye, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.
See you, man. Safe drive home.
All right, thanks.